got done putting the doors in and adjusting them. Frank's finishing up some caulking. And I'll bring you through this real quick. It's just Anthony doors with the torque adjusters. And then on top is your door opener, so you can leave your door open. And then I like to check them. Just like a little half pull. Make sure they close and seat. That one's good. That one's looking good. Just double checking. Just like a little half pull. We're looking good there. If you're wondering what that sign was saying, let's do this. It's your ambient conditions for your door must be met for proper performance. And we're gonna have a hard time meeting that in here because in Santa Cruz we got heating, but there is no air conditioning. So when we get heat waves, it's gonna be a lot hotter than 75 degrees inside this building. Always is in this town. So let's go over here and we'll check this door. I'll show you guys this door real quick. And I got the door closer and I already adjusted the wiper. Don't make me a liar. Oh, make me a liar. I have to adjust the door wiper one more time. Yep. Oh, right there. Money. Made in the USA. Let's do that again. All right, just needs to get cleaned up from dust from it. It had sat in here for months before the box got built. And then as far as our refrigeration goes, I got to get a P-trap. And we'll make our hole be right up here. P-trap in that hole.